Guys, okay, so today I am here to talk about the hair that I am wearing. If you have not checked out the video that I posted before this, I'll leave it listed down below so that you guys can know how I define the curls and also get a tutorial on this look up here. So yeah, if you'd like to know more about this hair, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, okay, so today I'm here to talk about this hair. Like I said before in the beginning of the video, please check out the video previous to this if you'd like to know more about, if you'd like to know how I define my curls and how I apply my wig, all that other jazz. So yeah, the hair that I am wearing today is from Julia Hair. I have all of the links for this hair listed down below so that you guys can go directly to it and check them out. So the hair that I am wearing once again is from Julia Hair. I am wearing their Brazilian Curly in 22, I want to make sure I'm reading this right, 22, 22, 24, 24, and a 20-inch free part closure. Whew, that was a lot. So yeah, I am wearing 4 bundles and a free part closure. I have in altogether, I believe, 3.5 bundles. I didn't use the full 4. You can definitely just only use 3. I kind of pushed it. I was like, I really want to see how big this hair will be if I used all 4 bundles that they sent me. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking. It's really full. I don't even think I used half of that 4th bundle just because I really was just kind of like forcing it to get on there. Like, the hair came with so much hair, especially for it to be longer lengths. Now for me, I thought that it was going to be just a little bit longer, like a little bit. I think the curl pattern may be a bit tighter than what I expected. So the look that I thought that I was going to go for, it happened to be a little bit different. The look that I thought I was going to go for, it just happened to be a little bit different, but that's okay because I still like this hair. Like, I like the bigness of the hair. I like the fullness of the hair. Like, the hair is super nice. I did just cut a little bit of face framing layers. Of course, the hair was much longer because the closure is like it is a 20-inch, so the hair probably came about right here. But I did cut a bit of just diagonal layers. So all I do is take some scissors and just kind of cut down like so and end up with some face framing layers like so. So you're not really cutting off a lot of the hair. You're just cutting off some just to frame your face and to make it look nice when you are wearing your hair in a side part or middle part. Whatever part I wear, I always do layers. I did the same on this side. As you can see, like, some of the hair on this side is a little bit shorter than the rest of it, and it just kind of goes on a diagonal and just frames my face a little bit better. So yeah, as you saw in the other video, if you checked it out, it will be listed down below. I used the B&B Styling Angry Mousse that looks like this. This isn't the mousse that I normally wear. If you ever watched any of my other curly hair videos, curly weave videos, you've probably seen the mousse that I normally wear. I get it from I get it from Walmart. It's super cheap and inexpensive. It's only about $2 or $3 honestly for a big can, but I just was like super lazy and didn't go to Walmart, even though Walmart is legit down the street from my house. But I just didn't, I don't know, I didn't use it and I used this. I didn't use it and I used this, and this one works really well. Like, it defines my curls really well. I just hate the way this smells. It's like, I don't know, it just smells like gas or something, and not like poo gas. It smells like gas, like leaking out of a stove type of gas, like out of a car type of gas. Like, it just doesn't smell good. I also use some water and a leave-in conditioner just like this, and I just spray it on my hair and just kind of wet it so that the curls can go back together, and that's that. So all I do is mix like half and half of water, half of leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I use is from Afro-G, and I put that in my hair. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much about that because I did talk about it in another video. So yeah, that's all I do for my hair to just define it. Now, I don't define my hair every day. All I do, if I do feel like some of the curls are a bit frizzy, like kind of like my ends, I'll just take my ends and just kind of dampen them with water, because I don't really care for my ends to just be super defined. I like for it to have that frizzy natural look, just because when you are wearing your natural hair, it does tend to get a bit frizzy throughout the day from it rubbing up against your shoulder or whatever length your hair is. So I do like for it to look as natural as possible. What else? The hair, I have not had any tangling. I have not had any shedding, as you can see. But like I said, I'm not, like I always say with curly hair, like, I'm not literally going and running my fingers like that through it. It's just going to disturb the curls and just come out with a big mess. You wouldn't do it to your real wash and go, so I wouldn't do it. Well, I wouldn't do it to my real wash and go, so I wouldn't do it to curly hair like this. Now, of course, if you're going to be combing it out, you're going to probably get some shedding, some tangles, just because it's curly hair. So it's best if you do want to comb out the hair and just kind of clump your curls together. Make sure that you're doing it when the hair is super, super wet. Like when you're washing it, take your Denman brush or take a nice big paddle brush, and that's what I do. I comb it out that way. Now, I will say, of course, just like most curly hair that I have, the nape of the neck is usually the part that I have the most problem with. It just always gets kind of tangled and stuff back there, but it's not too bad. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's not too bad back there today. That's one thing that I can say a plus about this one. I haven't had, like, sometimes it can really look like a bird's nest back there when you're wearing curly hair, but with this one, of course, it's gotten frizzy just from it rubbing up against clothes and stuff like that, but it's not too bad. Like, it's not really like, oh my god, that looks awful type of thing, you know? So I really appreciate that. But the hair came super, super fast. I had no problems nor issues with that part of the hair. I had an issue with my own postal service, but I didn't have an issue with the sender. They sent the right out. The mail person that I had that day, it wasn't my normal mail person. They just didn't know what they were doing. So other than that, like, I've had this hair for a while. I was wearing it all last week, and then I think I finally wore it like on Snapchat this weekend. I haven't really been on Snap a lot, so yeah, but I've been wearing this hair a lot just because it's super easy, it's super manageable. I love to put it like in a ponytail. I don't know why, but I really love wearing my curly hair in a ponytail like so, and then just kind of like having some just like hang down. It just kind of gives like that effortless ponytail look, but it still looks really nice and clean, and it looks like your hair is done. So yeah, I really do like that part about this as well. What else? I haven't had any shedding, tangling. The knots on this hair bleached really nicely. I will say it bleached slower than what I'm used to, but I really appreciated that because I had forgot that I was actually bleaching the knots on this closure. And when I went back, I was like, oh my god, I'm bleaching knots. And I thought it was going to be like all the way down here. Legit. No. Like, it was at a perfect timing. So you can't, like, this one is not going to be a 10-15 minute bleach job like a lot of the closures that I get are. No, this one is legit. I think I've had it on for about 30 minutes and the knots came out really, really well. So that is definitely a plus. So I'm not sure if that's how the processing time would be on this hair, but you can dye, bleach, and all that other stuff, the hair. But I'm not sure about how fast the processing time is on that. So keep that in mind. Now, I will say the closure seems a bit lighter than the actual hair. The hair seems to be like a 1B, and the closure seems to be a 2. I don't mind, but you can definitely tell that there are like some lighter and darker pieces when you look in person, and when you're in the light, you can tell that it is two different colors, but it's not like a big, huge, noticeable difference, you know? I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. Like, I love the hair. Like, I legit love it. I like the length of the hair. Like I said, I have in 222s, 224s, a 20-inch free closure. All I did was just part it the way I wanted it. I usually like my side parts on kind of like a curve just because I feel like it looks better that way opposed to just having it straight. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say about the hair other than that. I don't have anything bad to say about the hair, I should say that. Like I said, I don't have any tangling, any shedding, anything like that. Now, the ends can get super frizzy, but if you're a person that's like me that don't mind frizz, that's fine. But if you want to define it, you can go in within like each single like layer of the hair and define it, and that will definitely help out with frizz. I love frizz. It makes the hair even bigger than what it is, so I really don't mind it. I really don't mind the hair looking like this. So this is how the hair looks. This is where it's stopping. I didn't cut anything off the bottom inches of the hair. All I did was do my face framing layers, and that was pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check Julia Hair out, listed down below. I have all their information, where you can find them, and different things like that. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave other suggestions of videos that you'd like to see down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.